Now we'll look at the transfer feature when it comes to inventory. So to the left hand side, we'll navigate to items, and under items there is a transfer stock feature. So when I go on transfer stock, these are the details that are required. And when it comes to transferring stock, as the name suggests, it helps me transfer stock from one warehouse to the other. And it is an optional feature which is used in cases where companies have multiple warehouses. So as you can see in this case, I have two warehouses, New Site 1 and Mohit. So if I select Mohit, I will select the transfer date, the reason for transfer. So these are the reasons already listed by you. But if you want to configure any other reason apart from these, you can go to the plus sign and add a new reason. So for example, if I add the reason, it will get listed over here. Any miscellaneous information if you want to add, you can add it under notes. And now it comes to source warehouse and destination warehouse. So the source warehouse is the initial warehouse from where the transfer is happening. So I'll select Mohit for now. And destination warehouse is that the goods will flow from Mohit's warehouse to the new site one. So destination warehouse is the other one. And now I'll select the items which I want to transfer. So in this case, let's start with calculators. The system is telling me I have 10 calculators in the source and in the destination. So let's just configure it to 5 quantity. If any other item you want to add along with calculators, so for the same date and between the same warehouses, if apart from calculators you're transferring something else, you can select the other inventory like tea sachets. I can see that at source there are 20, at destination there are 0. So this means that at Mohit's warehouse there are 20 sachets and at destination there are 0. So let's just transfer 10 other sachets to the destination warehouse. And now if I make this transfer, you will see that the transfer got saved. And now if I check the stock of goods for Mohit's warehouse over here, 5 got subtracted from calculators. The initial stock was 10, now it's 5. And for the tea sachets, I can see initially it was 20, now it's 10. So this means that 5 and 10 subsequently got subtracted. And for further confirmation, I will switch to the other warehouse, which is new site 1. And now I can see that the updated quantity for calculators is 15 since we transferred 5 from the other warehouse, and for tea sachets it's 10 because originally it was 0. So 10 sachets from Mohit have flown to this warehouse. This is how the transfer feature works.